Today we'll show you what to do if a nail or any foreign object gets stuck in your tire. First of all, don't panic. Do not remove the object immediately because once you do, the tire will go completely flat. Step 1. Check the situation. Stop your vehicle in a safe place and look at the tire. If it's not completely flat, drive slowly to the nearest service station. Do not drive long distances. Step 2. Check the tire pressure. If the pressure is too low, put on the spare tire or take the tire to a professional service. Driving with low pressure can damage the tire. Step 3. Go to a service or tire shop. The tire technician will check the damage and repair it if possible. Punctures on the sidewall cannot be repaired, so in that case, replace the tire. Step 4. Temporary repair for emergencies. If you don't have a spare tire, you can use tire repair spray. The spray seals the hole temporarily, but is only suitable for short distances. Step 5. Make safety a priority. A repaired tire is never as safe as a new one. Always replace it before a long trip. Regularly check your tires and keep a spare tire, jack, and repair spray in your trunk. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you've experienced a similar situation or have an interesting car story, share it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for new videos. See you in the next one. Drive safely.